It is relatively easy compared to other insects to identify wasps based on coloration alone because it doesn't seem like wasps adopt the colorations of other wasps in their area, kind of like we discussed bumblebees and some other bees do. And so, bald-faced hornets look very different than, say, a paper wasp. Those are kind of the two most commonly experienced social wasps in and around people's houses and gardens. And even though they do look very different, they are, again, both very docile, tend to feed their young, chewed up insect remains, again, just like birds in an environment. However, even the mud dauber wasps, which are a solitary wasp, however, they do construct kind of their own nests in little kind of mud tubes that they usually attach to other structures. Even those wasps have very attractive, usually blue or green iridescent coverings.